The system is locally logged via the WAGO PLC, fitted in the box next to the control panel. The details are saved to the SD card. It can be removed and the data extracted to a CSV file in Microsoft Excel. If you have an Internet data logger, it requires an automatic DHCP Internet connection with an Ethernet cable. Plug this into X2 of the PLC. Contact Inno Plus for login details. Go to www.portal.ixon.cloud/portal, and from here you can log in to see the system live. If you have any issues with this, contact Inno Plus or send the whole PLC to Inno Plus for repair.
For more information, please contact us.